Hi, boys and girls. We are going to finish up this packet this week, our chapter 3, numbers 6 to 9. And what I'm going to do is go to where I left off. There's another one of these black and white pages, of course. I know I tell you all the time, but I'm never sure if, I think most of you guys are getting the message. You don't have to do this. It's meant to be homework, so I'm just going to throw it away. We did 8 the last couple of days, so this is 9. Okay, the first part of practicing 9 is modeling it. So it says model 8 objects and then show one more. So they're just saying you already know how to count to 8, so go ahead and find 8 objects. I'm going to make an 8 tower with my cubes, my Unifix cubes, linking cubes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it says add one more. If you have 8 and you add one more, what's that going to be? 8 plus 1 is 9. Now did you notice I made a pattern? I made an ABC pattern. I can hold it like this, like a train. Orange, yellow, red. Orange, yellow, red. Orange, yellow, red. Okay, now it says to draw it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go, I think I'm going to draw this. Now you don't have to use cubes. You can use whatever you want. What I'm going to do is just lay them down in sets of 3. So I've got 3 and 3 and 3. Okay, and that way I can trace around them. And like I said, you could use whatever you want. The other day we used crayons, we used our cubes, we could use our counters, of course, we could use paper clips, we could use anything that you have to model 9. So I'm just going to trace around these real quick. And I've got a red and a yellow and an orange. And there we go. And then I'll kind of finish it up. There, I'm even going to put the little knob at the top where you can put another linking cube on. Unifix cube, we call these. There, and they've got circles on them like there, so you can touch and count them. So I drew mine in there, and I have 9. But I put my 9 instead of putting them all together. I put 3 and 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could have just scattered them on here too. I think I'm going to put the number 9 here since I know how to make it. There we go. Okay, on the other side, this page is pretty easy here. Hey, they're showing us, they will tell you to put the counters here, and you can lay them on there if you want to. I don't feel like I need to here because they're already here, but I will down here. Okay, here's one way to make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. They even have the 5 yellow on the top, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4 red on the bottom. So that's one way to make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would be like making it 5 and 4 more is 9. Okay, so down here, all you have to do is trace the 9. Trace the 9, and then write 5. That's the top. And 1, 2, 3, 4 more is 9. And then down here it says, place the counters in the 10 frame to model 9. Okay, so we can use, okay, I'm not going to worry about the color on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need one more. 9. There you go. The neat thing about the number 9 is, let me kind of tilt it down here like that. Okay, we're working in a 10 frame. Okay, you know that 9 is 1 less than 10, right? All we need is one more and we're going to be at 10. So we can actually say, oh, I know that there's 9 here because one more would be 10. Or you can, in your head, you can take away, hey, if there was another one here and we took it away, then 1 less than 10 would be 9. So once you get to 9, it's pretty easy to subitize it when it's in a 10 frame because you can see it. I'm going to pull those off. You can trace around them, but you really don't have to. I'm not even going to color these because we're going to be coloring on the other side. Okay, I've got 9. All right, now we get to come up with 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways to make 9. We done this in a number talk a few weeks ago, didn't we? So let me put 9 in my cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to shake, 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 shake. Shake your counters. Shake your counters, right? Whoop, there we go. I gotta put my red ones. Oops, nope. Look, they start with yellow this time. They try to trick us, don't they? I'm gonna put my yellow ones down first. And then the red. And I fill up all the boxes except for one. Because if we filled the last one up, then we would have 10, wouldn't we? Okay, so how many yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many reds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 yellows and 5 reds. Now I'm going to put them back in my cup. If you don't want to use a cup, you don't have to. You can shake them in your hand. Shake, shake, shake. Your hands are smaller than mine, though. I don't know if you can fit all. Woo. Okay. I'm going to, oops, yellow first. Only 2 yellows. Well, that's definitely different than the way we did the first one. Yeah, that's kind of neat. We got it brand new way, didn't we? This time we have 2 yellows. Here, I'm going to tilt my camera down just a little bit. I do not want this to turn off, though. There we go. All right, 2 yellows. And here's our new sight word, boys and girls. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, that was a brand new way. I'm going to either put them in my cup or shake them in my hand again. Okay, let's see if this is different. I think it is. Okay, ooh, wow. This time we filled up the whole top row and 1 on the bottom. So that's 5 and 1 is 6, 7, oops, 8. Yeah, I thought I lost one, but there it is. Okay, so this time we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellows and, which means plus, 1, 2, 3 reds. That's another way. Hey, we're really lucking out, aren't we? So far, we haven't rolled the same thing. One more. All right, now this way I think is the same. So I might have to turn another one over here. Oh no, this is different. 3 yellows. Okay, good. Look at that. Yeah, this is different. We haven't had it, so you have to check up here. Oh, I know. It's the opposite of what we just did there. This time we have 3 yellows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds. We still have 9. I can tell there's 9 because this one's blank. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm going to choose one of these ways. It doesn't matter which way. I could do 4 yellow and 5 red. I could do 2 yellow. I could do 6 yellow and 3 red. Let me get my red and my yellow, and then I will decide which way I'm going to do it, color it. Okay, I think I'll do the top one. The top one, which is 4 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to color them really fast while I'm talking here. 4 yellows and 5 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to color those in later. So 4 yellows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds. So I do want you to color these in and just choose one of the ways. Of course, you can't do them all because they're only giving us one 10 frame at the top. Okay, next page. Okay, you guys know what to do, right? They're showing us some of these are going to be 9 and some are not. So you have to count them. We're arranging them in different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could tell that wasn't going to be 9. It just didn't look like it was enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, that's like I arranged mine on the front. 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's 9. Now this looks like it's too much because it looks like it's more than this, but we better count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, there's another way to make 9. Okay, or we could go 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1 more is 9. Okay, down here it says draw to show what you know about the number 9. Tell a friend about your drawing. So you can draw whatever you want and make sure there's 9. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a 10 frame. And that might be a little hard for you guys to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not perfect. I'm going to go ahead and make a 10 frame. What do I know about 9? I know that 9 is 1 less than 10. So I know I'm going to have to draw something in every single box except for the last one, right? And I think I'll put stars in here. Now you don't have to do it just like me. You can draw whatever you know about 9. You can draw 9 of something else. You can draw 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom, or 3 plus 3 plus 3, as long as you draw 9. And then that's it. And then I think we only have one more page, and then I think we get to, like, there's a test back there. Okay, nice job.